who would have ever dreamed in February we'd be facing a tornado like this? It came so fast and so loud. The sound was horrendous.
Last night I got home and I just was taking a shower and I could hear some banging. I got out, I got my mom protected into the bathroom and the picture window blew out, glass went on us. We were safe though in the bathroom then. Once I shut the door, 15 minutes later, I come out and I looked and I had no house roof and all the buildings are gone. I got cattle missing. I don't know what to do, just day by day and hope for the best.